o'clock. Bye, Grandpa.
Bye. See ya. See ya.
Babe, don't worry about it. The clock doesn't define you.
At Vendage at the Reserve, home is just the beginning. Nestled among the beauty of the wetland preserve and vineyards, you'll find luxury living and easy access to the family entertainment, restaurants, and nightlife of South Hillsborough and beyond. Relax, connect, and engage within the vibrant, active community where you can finally enjoy all that life has to offer, and where every day is proof that the best is yet to come.